Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, I say every time the thing I will say this time, and that's that this is not financial advice. I'm not here telling you what to do with your money. I'm just here to talk to you about options. But today I want to start with a question. What if you had the ability to access a DeFi trading platform with 30% cashback from commissions and a shot at $1,000, $1,000, 1G, all from a Telegram bot? This is where BlinkBot enters the picture. To sum it up in a short little blurb, this is a Telegram native bot that has instant execution. It supports multi-chain tokens. There is 24/7 live human support, smart SL/TP setup, and instant referral payouts. No wait whatsoever. Why now, you might be wondering. BlinkBot is, at this time of this recording, in its whitelist phase. Well, it only takes a single trade, one trade, to join, and that trade would unlock point farming for future tokens, 30% cash back on commissions, which we talked about just a moment ago, access to the trading tournament. Do you say tournament or tournament? I've got a buddy who's big on tournament. Most everybody I know just says tournament, but access to the trading tournament and early entry before those big old whales show up and start splashing water all over the place. Now, the trading tournament is, now I'm saying it his way. The trading tournament is live until May 20th. Winners will be ranked by volume. Now, the top 10 prizes, the top 10 will get prizes, but numero uno, first place, wins $1,000. One trade, one bot, early access secured. Let's click around and see what is going on here. Welcome to BlinkBot. Your all-in-one DeFi trading solution starts here. BlinkBot.co, the website we're going to jump onto in just a moment. Now here we go, early access to the exclusive bonuses. Whitelist spot. Set your own price. Limit orders and BlinkBots. All of that. They've got all this aesthetic set up. Ooh. Is the robot fire? Really well rendered. Robot here. Claim your advantage. Join the whitelist. Step 1. 3 easy steps. Start BlinkBot. Make a trade. And receive the whitelist spot. You're on the list. That's all it takes. Advantages for early users. We were just talking about. Farm the points. Get that referral program. Up to 100% cash back on trading fees available for only the first 1,000 users on the whitelist. So get on it while it's hot. Got that trading tournament. Okay, so 4th through 10th place. You get 100 each place. 500 for 3rd, 700 for 2nd, and that big juicy thou, the cool G, for 1st place. Let's take a quick gander at how easy it is to use BlinkBot. So here I'm on the PC version. So we got all that set up. Balance in Solana. Refresh. 0.25. There you go. Now you buy. Give it a second. And there we go. It's starting. Buying Trump coin. 0.1 Solana. Transaction confirmed. Right there, we saw it. Close. I can check our positions. And there is the Trump coin. Now you sell it. And it's just that easy. Click it. $100%. Click. And transaction pending. Transaction confirmed. Close it out. It's just that easy. So, there's their about. Got all that set up. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Check it out. Links are in the description. And I'll see you at the revolution.